Good morning, everybody. Out here, Kids Beach again. First thing in the morning, just before 6. Beautiful day out there. Beach was pretty busy. We got one of our buddies over there detecting. He's out here every morning after a shift of work. He finds lots of good stuff out here. But yeah, so anyway, just wish me luck, and I'll get back to you as soon as we find something. But it's just another gorgeous day. Lots of boats out in the harbor. Sun's just coming up, birds. Anyway, ciao for now. So, look right below the coil. When I first scooped it up, it went through my scoop. It's so fine, it felt through my scoop, but it could be a gold. I don't know at this point, but we'll find out when we get home. It looks gold to me so far. So anyway, see you on the next one. Today, I think all we've got was coins and yeah, so I got about $2.50 a fish weight and a gold chain today down at the beach. So it wasn't a bad day, but it could have been better, as my parking for my truck cost me $6. So I didn't even make my parking fee for today. So we'll see what next week brings. But anyway, we'll see you guys on the next outing, hunt along the beach, and Digging Richmond out. And 2 thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe. Cheers for now.